The JCB backhoe is built to be of high quality, reliable and versatile. Its high quality stems from its manufacture. Its versatility comes with the attachments that are fitted to the machine. Whatever your business, there will be a JCB attachment specifically designed to maximize the versatility of your JCB machine and so increase your profits. All genuine JCB attachments are designed by JCB to complement your machine. They are a perfect match to the machine's geometry. The finest raw materials are combined with top quality engineering skills and exhaustive testing to ensure all customers receive the very best. As you would expect, all JCB attachments are backed up by a full JCB warranty for complete peace of mind.